Welcome back to another video. This time I will be showing you off this thing here, which is a microphone. As you know, my videos audio quality is not great, if great can be used as a descriptor for them. So I've decided that I wanted to get a small upgrade by looking at this product here, which is a Lavalier microphone AGPTEK lapel omnidirectional mic with wind muff type 3.5mm jack for all kind of devices. So let's unbox it. Unfortunately, I've already removed this because it's not like I planned for this. Nah, it wasn't a last minute thing. Okay, so when you open it, there will be two indents, which makes it quite easy to actually open it. Then you just slide to open it, and packaging. The packaging is, I'd say, it's decent, and you know, it's pretty good. Let's take out the content. So we've got a pouch. Is that what it's called? Little mini pouch with all the content inside, which has been emptied now. It's pretty nice. It's pretty sleek, if you ask me. We've got a bunch of adapters. I already presented. This is other stuff like an additional cover, and I've also got some sort of converter here and some spare clips if you happen to have multiple people you want to stick one single mic to. But this is the bulk of the product. So we have the actual microphone, which has the thingy already attached to it. We've got a 3.5mm jack. I will give you examples of the audio quality or bad quality, whichever way you want to call it. The audio quality from this microphone without any editing, and the audio from the phone and from the laptop. I will obviously put a link of this product in the description below. And no, this is not sponsored or anything. I do not get money from it either. I'm pretty sure you understand that. I don't have that number of subscribers. And the price of the product is £12 or 12 Great British pounds. The build quality, honestly, at this price range, you really can't ask for too much. As long as this thing works, I'm happy. It does the job required. So the test for the audio quality from the phone is obviously what you're hearing right now. This is what the phone sounds like. This is what my voice sounds like using the microphone from the computer. I'm not sure how much noise there will be. The fans are slightly on, so that's one thing to consider. Okay, so I have the mic, using it right now to record the video. I'm not sure how much better or worse. It could be worse. That's entirely up to you. I did not edit out the things, as in the noise, because otherwise it would be unfair. It is, after all, just £12. Just understand that this is not a 50, 100, 150, 200 pound microphone that you can get on Amazon or wherever, really. I don't know where you buy stuff. But yes, so it's, for what it's worth, I think it's a pretty good mic. And yeah, it's not badly constructed either. Got not much weight to it. Not sure if that's a good or bad thing. Cable is fairly long. It's 1.5 meters long. But you'll see that in the description of the product when I put it in the link below. Yeah, hopefully you find this useful. Yeah, I'll see you next time.